Today I'm going to show you how to drain your electric water heater of water in case you have a leak. It's very simple. All you need is a garden hose. The garden hose and connect it to the draining valve. Make sure that it's on there securely so that no water leaks out the sides. Then you're going to want to open the valve. You can hear the water flowing now. There you go. Sometimes there's a knob or a tap head here. Other times you have to use a flathead screwdriver to release the valve. To turn it off, simply turn it the other way till you know the valve is securely closed.